Hey, this is Michael and welcome back to Mean Paul's channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about real estate investing strategies for residential properties. And I just bucket them down into four main groups. And the first group that we'll cover is, we'll just cover the first four groups. The first group is rental properties, rehab projects, wholesaling, and private lending. So the first group here is rental properties. And what that means is it's not a get quick rich now, like make a lot of money now. It's, buy properties, a few a year, and over time, you're going to generate an enormous amount of wealth potentially. And there's tax advantages and income along the way. But the big paydays are later when you want to cash out on some of these properties. And then types of properties a lot of investors purchase could be just single family properties, multifamily properties, such as like 4 units, or bigger apartment complexes like 12, 20 unit apartment complexes. A lot of these properties, some people buy. A great option way that we buy it is you purchase it as an add value property where the property is distressed. So you get it for a good low number, put in renovation cost. And then once you have it rented out again, go to a bank and get it refinanced. And you could basically pull out potentially all your money. So you'd pay back your private money lenders if you had private money lenders on the deal, and you could potentially be into a property for nothing and just have a small cash flow stream going forward. So that's rental properties. Another way to make money in residential real estate is called rehabbing, where you buy a distressed property, renovate it to today's standards, and then resell it to a end buyer. And there's two different types of rehab you could do. You could do the full rehabs, which are full-blown projects. You're tearing down walls, redoing everything, new roof, new kitchens, new bathrooms, etc. And then there's other types of rehabs where we call more like wholetail or light renovations, where you may not put in a brand new kitchen, but you might just put in new flooring and countertops because the current cabinets are 15, 20 years old, but they're still great condition. You might not get top dollar for this property, but it's a quicker turnaround time and less money needed to renovate a property. So it's a kind of a velocity of money play. You still make a nice chunk of change, wholetailing properties, and you're in and out of the properties a lot quicker than you would be on a full renovation project. Another example is, and this is where a lot of people start out, is wholesaling. You purchase or get a property under contract. And then you could resell it for a cash offer, most people do. So 2 examples of wholesaling: you could actually, buy a property or get it under contract, off-market property. You can market to a home seller that's not listed on the MLS, get it under contract, and then sell that contract to a real estate investor for a cash offer. So you're buying something for $50, marking it up to $55, and then you get the $5 return there. Another way to do wholesaling is actually purchase the properties and buy them, and then relist them on the MLS, or maybe sell them with owner financing to an end buyer. Or if the house is in good condition, maybe you could relist it on the MLS and a conventional loan buyer will buy it as well. They're probably going to be willing to pay a little bit more than a cash investor would pay. So multiple options in wholesaling that not a lot of people talk about. Most people focus on the cash offer, get it under contract immediately, where by taking or purchasing the wholesale property and then maybe selling it on terms with like owner financing, or listing it on the MLS to a mortgage buyer, like a non-investor, is another way to maximize profits. And the fourth bucket is you're actually not buying or doing any of the work at all. You're more of a private lender. You could potentially lend on someone's rehab project or rental property at a healthy, anywhere from like 8 to 12% return right now in this market. And if you want to be a hard money lender, you could charge points and even higher interest rates as well. So hope this video is just a high level overview for someone newer in the real estate investing space on different strategies you could utilize with residential real estate. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.